Welcome back to the Minecraft Military Force. I'm CraftyFoxe, and today we're going to be building an essential part if you're making the US Air Force. This is a must-have for logistics. This is the International R-11 Refueler truck. It's the primary refueling vehicle for the United States Air Force. It can carry a maximum of 6,000 gallons of fuel. Of course, it's aviation fuel. You can use it to refuel fighter jets like F-16s, F-15s, F-35s, you name it, even the A-10 Warthog. And this vehicle can also be transported on the C-130 and the C-17. So here I have it refueling an F-35 for the Minecraft Military Force. And by the way, we are at Leaf Air Force Base, and I just added all the vehicles over here. Hopefully in the future we're going to have an Air Force Base tutorial. I am waiting for Owen Bros to commission a runway tutorial. Now you may have remembered we did a tutorial on the Hemet tanker truck, and this one is used by the US Army to siphon fuel from tanker planes to transport it to ground forces like tanks and Bradley infantry fighting vehicles. So this one is not really used for aircraft. Well, this one is. You can tell it's also different because it comes in green most of the time, although there are some tan versions. It's mostly shown in green. And yeah, here's just the design, what I came up with. This is really easy to make, by the way. Just make a hose connecting to the side of the F-35, and make sure when you're building this you take a look at reference photos, because I'll show you where to put the fuel line. So you can just like open this hatch here, and then here is what it looks like when it's closed. Of course, this is using jet fuel, so there's a lot of writing here in red on the side, and the hazard placards which are on the side, the front, but we can't fit it there. And there also is one here in the back. There also is this ladder that goes up. I did use a debug stick to make this a little bit shorter, so if you can do that, because it'll make it look a lot better. Got two axles in the back, and this is asymmetrical detail. There also is a fire extinguisher here in red, and there is also on this side. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so let's get started. So for the dimensions, it's going to be 18 blocks long. So first off, let's start off with the first axle wheel. So in the front, we want this polished blacksmith brick slab. Just make it 2x2. Add a wheel here on the side, wall behind it, slab behind that, dark oak fence gate here, spruce button on the side, trapdoors in the front corners. There also is dark oak fence gates on the inside of this. Just open them up towards the front. After that, we want to add in the grill. This is just going to be deep slate, and we're going to have two of them like that. Then 2 blocks wide green terracotta, and then deep slate brick wall. Now this is going to be 14 blocks long, and we'll make it 2 blocks wide. It's going to go all the way here in the back. Then we'll add in these 2 deep slate brick slabs and a birch fence gate. After that, you want to add in the back wheels. They're kind of the same thing as the front, with just adding 2 axles here. And I also added the mud flaps, which are dark oak signs, so behind there, both sides. And the front part, there's 2 dark oak trapdoors on this side. The other side will have a dark oak sign. Alright, after that, we're going to add in more in the front, green terracotta, item frame, and an orange bed. We're going to rotate it so it's facing, so the orange is on the outside part. After that, we'll add into the side. Here's what that looks like. Make the wheel a little bit bigger, and some stairs. And then polish deep slate. 2 green terracottas here, buttons, fire extinguisher, wither skeleton skull, fence gate, and add in the top of the wheels. And here's what it looks like on the other side. It is different. So just copy everything you see here. Alright, after that, the next step, we'll add in dark prismarine stairs here, round like this, mossy cobblestone wall, and then green terracotta on the inside part, just 2 blocks wide, all the way to the back. Add another fence gate here, button, upside down stairs, and build everything you see right here. And here's what it looks like on the other side. Alright, the next step, we'll add in the windshield, just black concrete, 4 blocks wide, 2 blocks wide behind that, spruce trapdoor behind that, Green terracotta is here. Signs. The other side, it's pretty similar as well. And then we'll build the rest of it. Looks like this. And we'll just using a glow item frame with a red stained glass pane rotated like that, so we have a diamond shape. And here's a look at the back. There also is another placard here. And also added a birch bun on the inside of it, which what it looks like on this side. Alright, the last step, we're just finishing off the roof. So carpets over here, this orange for the blinker on top. Then we'll add in trapdoors like this, and there's going to be trapdoors going along one side while the other side has spruce buttons. There's a gap of 2 here, gap of 1. Then a ladder connects in the back, and again I use the debug stick to lower it down. And yeah, that should be pretty much it on how to make the R-11 refueler truck in Minecraft. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below, hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.